is a time lapse. I've not done one of these before. It's packing time. So we're gonna pack for our event this weekend, Black X. Hey friends, I am on my way to war. Golf Wars. I hate that. Like, could we not? I mean, it is the thing. We're gonna do it, but it bothers me to no end. Like, the SEA is not just about people playing war. And I hate that our events are referred to as wars. So I'm on my way to the golf event. I think I've gotten everything in the card that I wanted except a handful of items. So I did forget to pack some thank you cards I wanted to deliver. And there was something else in my head that I realized I had meant to bring and I didn't. There was one more tunic. Oh well. I got enough clothes. I've got 2 pieces of guard that I need to get fixed while I'm down here. And if I get that done, I definitely have enough clothes. Anyways, I'm feeling all angsty about this trip. Like, I am not excited to be in. What the hell is that noise? Okay, well, we can figure that out. I'm not sure if this is coming from the inside or the outside. Anyways, I'm feeling very angsty about this war for obvious reasons. Like, there's an actual war taking place. Gas prices are going up. I just spent a significant amount more than I normally would to gas up. And nothing much going on. Just hit the road. Something this I got off the voice back here.
Hazard reported ahead.
It's going to be about a 5-hour drive. I am a full hour behind schedule departure. What is... Holy moly. Lord.